Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is July 19th, 2022, and Bitcoin, as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency markets, are on the brink of a breakout. Okay, if you're interested in that analysis, then watch until the very end. Don't forget, my friends, that today is Tuesday, so I do a live stream every Tuesday at 4 to 4:30 p.m. between 4 to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and so that's when I'm going to jump on. Definitely don't miss that. Just follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get the notification that I'm going live between those times. All right, now let's get into it. I'm seeing a flat wave 4 correction, and are still being. I'm on the really small time frame. I'm on the hourly time frame, okay? And just to give you some context, we have this pattern here that has yet to break out, okay? We have this pattern, a bunch of price action below it, and a neckline around here at 22, and we've been testing this multiple times. We've tested it in our pivot or our consolidation reversal pattern, and then here we're testing it again in our actual impulse, okay? And so when I'm looking at Bitcoin, I'm seeing that we are in a wave 4 correction, okay? And it's likely that we're in a wave 4, and here's why. If you take the Fibonacci extension tool, all right, from the bottom of this purported extension to the bottom of the wave 1, to the top of the wave 1, retracement of wave 2, you'll see that this wave terminates between the 1618 and the 2 Fibonacci extension of wave 1. So wave 1, wave 2, that's likely the end of wave 3. So this is very likely to be wave 4. That is my sort of thesis. That's why I'm saying that, okay? And we can go into Prechter and Frost and look at Fibonacci ratios and Fibonacci sort of likely extensions, and we can do that more during the live stream. Since today is a live stream day, we can relegate the theory to the live stream, but that's basically why it's likely that we're in a flat wave 4 correction. And if I'm looking, I'm seeing, like I said, just an A, B, C flat correction, a regular flat correction, okay? And this is our breakout, okay? That's what I'm seeing in Bitcoin. So this is the precipice, this is the neckline of the breakout, because what comes after your impulsive wave 5, okay? And now if we zoom out just for a second, let's go on our daily time frame, and we can see that it's likely, just as we've been saying, that we do get a pit stop here because we have this very important 55 EMA right at 24K. Okay, so when we break out, expect to just consolidate briefly at 24K before continuation. And once again, our main target is at our 144 day exponential moving average, which is right now at 31, but I expect it to move down a little bit to 30,000, where our VPVR is showing us major resistance, okay? When you have major resistance in the price action. So that's what I see in Bitcoin. The overall analysis hasn't changed. I think we take a small pit stop at 24, but our eventual target is 30, and that eventual target should be met by the next new moon, which is on the 28th, okay? In and around the 28th of this month, which should give us about 10 or so days, 9 days at this point of positive price action. Okay, so that's my Bitcoin analysis. And this is, again, if you're subscribed to the channel, just rehashing, not rehashing, but essentially reinterpreting my previous theories on what we're doing and why we're doing it, and then integrating new data to really strengthen that thesis. Okay, so now let's go into our watch list. Let's jump down into smaller time frames. What I see here is kind of the same thing as I saw in Bitcoin, right? I see a wave 4 flat correction, okay? But in this case, in Dodo, you have wave 1, wave 2. This is between the 1618 and the 2 Fibonacci extension of this. I'll prove it to you really quickly. Basically, take my Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave 1 to the top of it, retracement of wave 2, and you'll see that 1618 and 2 Fibonacci extension is exactly where this purported wave 3 ended. Okay, and what do we have here? We have a flat correction, but in the form of a triangle, an A, B, C, D, E triangle. Okay, and remember, these A, B, C, D, E triangles are 5 wave structures comprised of 3 waves each. So A wave has 3 waves, B wave has 3 waves, C wave has 3 waves, D wave has 3 waves, and E wave has 3 waves. Remember, there are 3 types of triangles. There's contracting, there's barrier, and there's expanding. Okay, in that order: contracting, barrier, expanding. Okay, contracting, you see the most. Barrier, then you see the second most, and expanding are the rarest forms. And each of those has a flavor, when you're moving up and down, obviously. And a contracting triangle is just like it sounds, right? You have your A, B, C, D, E converging, right? Your barrier triangles, basically, instead of one, you basically have a flat side. So you either have a barrier on the upside or a barrier to the downside. Do you see that? That's your barrier triangle. And then your expanding triangle is your expanding cone, where you have successively larger waves because you're expanding. Okay, just like it sounds. Okay, so here I have my wave 4 flat correction in the form of a contracting triangle, and Dodo is breaking out right now. All right, Litecoin, just like Bitcoin, I have a regular flat correction in the wave 4. Once again, the analysis is the same. Wave 1 and wave 2 down here. Expand these. They're in. Let's see. For Litecoin, we may have gotten an extended wave 3. Let's see. Let's see. Oops. I didn't pull that correctly. Guys, if you're getting value, please like, share, and subscribe. Wave 1, wave 2. Yeah, Litecoin has already gotten an extended wave 3. You can see wave 3 didn't end until well after the 2618. Okay, so what we're going to see is likely is an extended wave 3 and an extended wave 5 in Litecoin. Okay, or we don't have to see that. We can just see a regular wave 5 in Litecoin, right? Where wave 5 is the same magnitude as wave 1 right here. So basically we could see wave 5 go to this 4236 right here in Litecoin, and where Bitcoin takes a pit stop at 24, it also takes a pit stop right here and does its consolidation, comes down, and then continues. Or we can have, remember, it's unlikely and it's not something you see every day, but you can have 2 extended waves within a 5-wave advance. So wave 3 can be extended and wave 5 can be extended, or just, one of the 3. So we don't know. Again, this is not a crystal ball. We're just playing probabilities based off of price action and patterns that we've seen throughout history using this tool. Okay, Dogecoin, I see something similar. I see a wave 4 flat correction, right? You just see these same patterns throughout the market, and you have your small little leading diagonal coming in and going out of this wave 4 extension, or wave 4 pattern. Cardano, regular wave 4 flat correction, and you're breaking out, breakouts. That's what I'm seeing. Ethereum, Ethereum's kind of doing its own thing. Let's see, where Ethereum's extended already. I'm looking at Ethereum as being in an ending diagonal, wave 5 ending diagonal. I think Ethereum takes a pit stop at between 18 and 2K, right? In this region right here. So I see Ethereum putting an ending diagonal. I think it's going to take a pit stop here, retrace a bit before continuing. That's just my hunch. Again, no crystal ball, just probabilities based off of this wave's price action. Kadena looks to me like a triangle, right? You can see a triangle. You don't have to look too hard rather. It's quite clear, right? Right? You can see this A, B, C, D, E. Looks like a breakout to me. Looks like the same type of triangle that we saw in Dodo. Looks like a contracting, that's typically what you see, contracting ABCD triangle in the wave 4 spot. Yeah. Ravane looks like it's still, no, it looks like a wave 4 triangle, but it looks like everything's concerted. Okay, Ravane looks like it's basically put in a bunch of smushed up waves, and wave 5 is going to be a glorious extension. But it's very nicely above all these EMAs, so it's very, very bullish right now. Okay, reserve rights looks to me like a triangle, right? That's what I'm seeing. Looks to me like a triangle. You have, let's see. No. Let's see. No, here's what I'm seeing. I see a wave 1, wave 2. This is the beginning of wave 3. This is a flat correction for wave 3. So wave 1 of 3. So this is so if this is a primary wave and this is a primary wave 2, right? This is primary wave 1, this is primary wave 2. This I see as intermediate wave 1, intermediate wave 1, intermediate wave 2. That's what I see for reserve rights. Okay. And yes, breakout. Okay. Last but not least, Telcoin. I'm seeing our wave 1 and 2 being down here. So I'm seeing this as being let's jump down or jump back. I need a little bit more perspective. I think your wave 4 correction, let's see. I don't know. Definitely impulse, definitely going up. Okay. But where we're at, I don't know. Could be that this is wave 4. Could be that, let's not be lazy. Let's just do this really quickly. It's the last one. Let's take this is how we kind of get a better idea as to where we're at, just using these ratios, just using these levels. Okay. So, okay. See, once you use your Fibonacci extension tool, you get some more clearance or some more clarity as to where you're at. If this is wave 1, wave 2, this is likely wave 3 right here, because it's between the 1618 and the 2, and you have a retracement. So that's likely your wave 4 retracement. Looks to me like wave 5 started, and this is wave 1 of 2 of the wave 5 extension in Telcoin. Okay, guys, if you got value, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you later on today for the live stream at between 4 and 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you tomorrow.